5 years. Add the duck total on the clear days. Then you look at all the cloudy days. Add all the ducks you got on the cloudy days. Bingo, you can look and see which is a better day, cloudy or clear. By the way, you know what the answer is? Clear. Clear day is the best. Mid-morning. You say if you had any wind to pick, what's the best wind that y'all have found? Northwest. It tells you that there's a front. While I'm here, since you got so many duck callers in the house, check this out. I've been carrying this with me for about 30 years. You want to hear the sad truth about it? I've never heard a duck do that. I was just doing that to let you know I could do it. What ducks do is this. That's all you need. Then we got different tones. Gravelly ones, you know. Listen to this one, a little sweet one. Duck picker, what all women ought to do. Listen to this. Check this out. Teal. Listen to this. Widget. Pintail. Gadwall. Wood duck. So all this TV junk, we all got millionaires. And all that stuff, always remember this, Wisconsin, all I want to do is get the duck line and whack them and stack them.
Let me say something just before we get to that. Phil said, you know, he likes the women to pick ducks, but he said you got to watch them because they'll pick your pocket.
Miss Kay got that a little wrong. What I said was, all you young bucks out there, y'all listening? You see, the Miss Kay was 16 when we married. And you say, whoa, that's pretty young. If you marry them at 16, Wisconsin, they will pick your ducks. If you wait till they get to be over 20, they will pick your pocket. That's what I did. I've been listening for years.
Laurie says, I think I'll keep her.
Let's talk about cooking, because first of all, I read that